While we were in Sydney, Australia, we went to a cooking class and dinner. We went to Chef Jean-Marie's apartment. We went up the steps, knocked on the door, and when we entered, hellos and an apron. We sat at a table and had veggies in front of us. Chef sat down and explained what we were going to do and the menu. He started by showing us how to peel and chop an onion. Once he got it peeled, he chopped it and explained everything should be the same size. Vicky was peeling the squash. She sped it up a little bit. Nancy was finishing the onions. She had a little trouble peeling the squash. Vicky got hers peeled and Nancy was chopping hers. Everyone was working. Vicky started on the eggplant. Chef added a little olive oil to the pan, went into the kitchen and put it on the stove. Started with the veggies that would take the longest to cook and gave them a stir. I diced the eggplant. Chef put them in next. Seasoned with a little salt and pepper. While the ratatouille was cooking, he brought a bowl of olives, hummus, and crackers. Started with a little champagne and wine. Salute.
You know, like here, the food is still there.
Next, the first course, scallop ceviche. Chef removed the foot of the scallop. Then he cut them into thirds.
So you see, you need a very good knife, because you're going to do 3 slices out of each scallop.
Dale checked and stirred the ratatouille. Chef Jean gave the final word. It is done. Back to making the marinade for the ceviche. Salt and pepper. Cut a lime in half. The best way to juice it is by hand with a fork. Added some olive oil and mixed by hand. Chef added the scallops and set it aside to marinate. Chef put a half a lime on each plate. Cut cherry tomatoes in half and added to the plate. Next, slice avocados. And then the scallop slices. A little cilantro. Added a little more dressing. We dug in. Nancy liked it. I really liked it. It was one of the best ceviches I've eaten. Opened the refrigerator and got out the Australian rack of lamb. Cut it into chops. He put it in the pan to sear it. He sure stuffed that pan full. Turned it over to sear the other side. Plated the ratatouille and put on the chops. That one got away from him. Dinner is served. I just picked mine up and ate it. Poured a local red wine to go with the lamb. Chef joined us. Salute. For dessert, a lavender creme brulee, a little sugar on top. Out came the torch to caramelize it. Nancy liked it. Well, time to go. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.